So guys, ang next topic natin is all about mesh, no? Or segment. So, let us check this one. Okay? Ito, gagawa ko ng plane. Okay? So, then, ayan. Yung nakikita nyo mga square-square na yan, ang tawag dyan ay segment or mesh, no? So, let us try to increase the segment. Yan. Pwede nating bawasan yan. Like for example, this one is 7 or 5 by 5 segment. Yan. Then, pwede nyo rin increasein yung baguhin, i-modify yung width. Let us say 50 cm by 50 cm. Okay? So, ganyan. Then, after that, you can move that thing anywhere you want, no? Yan. Kung gusto mong puro Y lang, yan. Ganyan. Okay? Then, another thing, for example, gagawa ko ng teapot. Okay? Nalagay natin dyan. And then, meron siyang segment. Okay? Pag tinasa natin siya, ganyan, nagiging pinong-pino yung geometry. The problem with this two ISO segment is that it makes the file size big and very hard to animate in game development software like Unreal. So, maganda lang yung ganitong mataasang segment sa mga visualization, product visualization, yung mga stills. Okay? Pero pag may animation hindi na siya maganda kasi mabigat. Okay? So anyway, pwede naman gumamit muna ng mababang segment. And then merong mga tools para maparami ang segment na yan later on. Okay?